All right, step 3, you're going to beat out other buyers because you're going to use our specialized knowledge in marketing and leading edge technology. Step 4 is we want to make sure everything gets handled easy, hassle-free, because the most important thing in this process is you guys getting a home you love and making sure that I do a phenomenal job for you so we can get a 5-star review from you. That's what I'm working hard for, okay, on Google. So here's the ABCs of real estate. You may have heard this happening to other people. This is what most real estate agents do. They advertise a home to get you to call them. They beg you to come and talk to them. They choose homes paying them the highest commission. Then they drive you from house to house. You encourage you to make an offer, and then you start to feel frustrated that the home that they selected is not to your liking. So we do something totally opposite. We actually, you tell us what you're looking for, what you're going to do that today. I'm going to enter into my specialized computerized search engine. It's going to generate all the homes that you like, even homes that are not on the market. We're going to get you access to homes that are not in MLS as well. I'm going to send you a list of those, and then update you regularly when any homes from every single company in the metro Atlanta area, and also private companies, because we're connected with a lot of hedge funds as well, and corporate companies like Delta Airlines. They have executives like you moving to other states, and now they have these houses, and it maybe it's something that you guys may be able to partake in. So I'm going to check that for you as well. So you get to pick the home you want to see. You're already doing this. You're driving by homes to make sure you're at your leisure, to make sure you like them. I'm going to make sure if you're the type of family that wants to have more information about a property, I can give you as much information as you want on a property. And then you're going to tell me which properties you actually like by the outside. I know it's going to be hard for you, ma'am, because are you guys in Oregon or Washington?
No, basically, we live in Washington, Richfield,
Yeah,
Washington. But sometimes when you are saying somebody, Richfield, they're like, Richfield? Okay, Vancouver. Oh, Canada. No, Vancouver, Washington. So we're just saying Portland.
Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, I like Damian Lillard, so I like him, and the Portland Trailblazers. So everybody on our team is a full-time pro. So I'll be the person negotiating, your whole deal. But there may be times when somebody from my team may need to sign something, or just whatever may come up. So I attend everybody on my team, and I have a large team here in Atlanta. We attend all the zoning meetings. We know what's happening. You guys will love the downtown Alpharetta area. They really built it up. There's a lot of restaurants and everything now over there. We attend all the in-house training, all the continuing edge, and we just stay on top of everything as far as technology and what's happening and coming to the area. Later, I'm going to ask you, what are some of the things your children are interested in, because I may be able to get them access to some other programs, like if they were into coding, robotics, anything like that. I know people that run programs in that Alpharetta area that if they're into stuff like that, maybe they can, take advantage of that.